Hi, my name is Ralph Roy Rama Feliscuzo, and I am a second year Bachelor of Physical Education student. And now I will be um, asking a few questions for you. And by the way, for your information, this interview is all about sports psychology, which means that we need to gather a few information and then we'll be trying to analyze that one as to how things affect our psychological aspects. So, first is your profile. This might include your personal information, family background, varsity profile. But if you're not willing to share some personal informations, then you can keep those things and you can share those that you are willing to.
I'm a third year accountancy student and nagpuyo ko sa Agusan del Sur. Actually, nag-start ko volleyball since I was 8 years old. Kaya na-influence ko sa akong mga friends and some of my idols. Then, mao ni siya ang isa sa mga naging dream na ko na mo excel ko sa ingani na sports where gusto na ko nga makasulod ko sa isa ka university as a varsity player. And then on God's grace, nagpa-try out ang UM and incoming first year college ko at that time. And nag-try out ko and nakasecure ko spot and nakagrab ko opportunity na makatabang sa akong tuition fee. Actually, dako ka siya opportunity sa ako kay wala na ko'y bayaran sa ako ang tuition. And ako ang problema ko na lang kay ako ang allowance. But may mga benefits may gihapon ko na nadawat aside from that na libre among tuition. And ang UM is one of my dream school na makasulod.
All right, now we'll be moving to the main questions of this interview. First question is, what was it like when you were in a competition?
What was it feels like when you're in the competition? Actually, pressure siya, also exciting because first of all pressure kay naay mong coach nagatanaw sa imuha na dapat pa-planning mo ang mga gipang tudlo sa imuha as a player kasi nag-agi man mag training. And also exciting siya for me as part of a varsity team kay nakadula ka sa liga and you represent your school like in ana good.
Next question will be, what were you thinking about when your actions does not correspond to your goals, or like more like wala nagtugma ang imong mga actions sa imuhang mga kuan, imong mga goals ana?
I'm thinking about when my actions doesn't correspond sa ako ang goal is like I feel disappointed because first of all gusto na ko mahatag akong best sa dula especially sa team kay ang goal is to win this game or to win like para sa team and not only for the team but also for the school kay ang school ang among gitala. So I feel disappointed about that one. So that's all.
Can you tell me an example where you encounter events that affects your psychological aspect?
An example of an event that affects my psychological aspect is especially sa dula gihapon kay like naana mo sa peak na padaugay na ang inyong team and like that na nabaliktad and then ang pikas ang nadaog. So dako kay siyang effect na like disappointing kaayo, and also murag sakit kay sa buot in in my opinion na ing ato ang mahitabo.
And in relation to that question, or question number three, what was the impact of such on your life or to your family or your health and any other matters?
In relation with your question on question number three, it is a very big impact in my psychological self, because every time that I'm in a game, and also naami sa crucial point, maisip na ko to siya na like dili na ko pwede ma-error ni siya, like nahimo na hino siya na kong fear, instead of kailangan ako mo move out, like kailangan ako mo step up para idaog ang team, pero ma-pressure na ko, like mahadlok na ko kay murag natagam na ko sa ingana na sitwasyon. that that is how it affects on my status.
Now I'm going to be asking you questions regarding your challenges, and these questions are like, what are your challenges that you've encountered as an athlete? What are the challenges that you've encountered as a student? And what are the challenges that you've encountered as a person?
Ang mga challenges na ako as an athlete is, number one is injury. Kay as an athlete, dili dyan maipiwasan ang injury, kay dili na to gumit ang atong kalaban, dinulaan sa atong kalaban. Bisag mag careful ka dira, bisag mulikay ka sa injury. As for yourself, if ever na kanang dili dyan malikayan, kay naadyo ka ng mga tao nga kanang dahas kaayo manula, so mo na siya nga kanang ginalikay na ko ang sarili, na dapat careful just always every time mo dula, labi nag sa training kanang wala pa nagduwa or na upcoming games pa. So likayan jud dapat ang injury mo, dyan siya ang isa sa akong pinaka challenge na ko as an athlete on myself. Mga challenges na ako as a student is balancing my time sa pagiging varsity, and also sa pag-study. Of course, kay lisod man nga kanang varsity ta, dili na nato na nga to ang mga klase atong studies. Dili siya nagakuan na if varsity ka dapat varsity lang. No, varsity sa student athlete, so dapat you need to balance ang imong grades, balance nimo ang imong study, and also i-balance pud nimo ang imong time sa imong training. Mga challenges na ako as a person is makarelate ko ani gamay kay sa pagdila sa akong stress tungkol sa kadaghan responsibilities, and labi na we are not financially stable, so that's why maka-stress siya isipon nga if halimbawa wala na kay ka. It was like that good, so I need to overcome my stress regarding that, and dili pud pwede nga kanang mo kuan na lang dayon, mo surrender na lang dayon kay opportunity na ang niduol. So kailangan dyan nato nga hindi lang stress kay daghan kitag responsibility, and labi na kay teenager pa lang ko, so kailangan always for the go, always na kanang sukol ta permente, kay this is not only for myself, this is also for my future and the future sa akong family. Kay daghan kayo mga naka-align na like mga plano in futures.
And now the last thing that I'm gonna be asking you all about is your coping mechanisms. These are strategies or techniques on how you address those challenges that you have mentioned earlier. It's more like how you cope up with yourself, how you cope up with these things, or paano mo nabibigyan ng solusyon ang mga bagay na ito.
Time management, this is very important and very useful for me para mabalance ang ako ang time sa training, ang ako ang time sa studies, and ako ang personal time especially. Perhaps tayo siya tanan like last star na kanang dili ka pataka nga kanang isipon nimo nga ay naade ko'y time na inaning anak pero like you need to balance it na dili na lang tanan personal time nimo, dili tanan um, training time nimo. No, dili siya dapat nga na dapat mo isip ka o kanang tulojud ka time for time management para sa imong sarili, para sa imong training, at para sa imong traffic kay as a student athlete importante jud na siya kaayo. Next one is rehabilitation. Yeah, need po ni siya para sa ato ang sarili. Kailangan ato manan ng injury para sa fast recovery kay since ang injury dili jud na siya malikayan, so para for your fast recovery likay or kanang dili kita magsigit pataka og lihok nga kanang dili nga to control tong sarili regarding sa inani nga sitwasyon kay dapat natay exercise, proper exercise for person nga mga na-injury ana siya. Kan ang last one, stress. Ako ang ginahimuan ni kay ginhawa og lalom every time na maka-feel kog upcoming stress sa lawas para makahuna-una kog sakto kay even if I'm mentally, physically, or spiritually tired, wala dapat siya sa akong utok nga kanang kailangan makuan ko, kailangan magpadala ko sa stress, kailangan ma-depress ko. No, kailangan always look forward na need na ko ni siya. Kailangan ako maging strong, independent person for me to conquer this stress. Para ang stress, maoy mas stress sa ako So, dapat ginhawag lalom, relax, inhale, exhale, and then go. So cool.
Alright, I think I already got everything that I need, and I appreciate you so much for participating in this interview for this observatory analysis. And I hope you have a great day.
You're very welcome, and it's my pleasure to answer your questions. And have a nice day also.